Cool. So now it's time to showcase the Sacred River AI-vatar Metaverse Experience over Roblox. And I figured that the best way to do it would be via the VR headset on the Roblox app. So here we are. You can see my VR recording. And here is the Roblox app within the MetaQuest, and you can find here the experience that we've created for the Sacred River. I will open it, and you will find the landing page we have set up. So here's the Sagrado or Sacred River AI-vatar Metaverse Experience. We've added a description with some controls on how people can navigate over PC or tablet smartphones. And we've also added a couple of images. And let's check it out. Also, the banner here has a comparison between the actual Salto do Sagrado waterfall and the one we've designed over Roblox. So let's hit play and see how it goes. Here we are inside the experience. And as you can notice, we've tried to replicate the Salto do Sagrado waterfall to the best of our capacity. Here, I'm just moving my head around to check what's going on. And over the Roblox app, we can find this menu here, which helps with a couple of things. So you can find informations for the controls, for instance, and you can also invite friends to join the experience, leave the experience from here, and you can open up this chat to talk to other players. But let's navigate. So I'm gonna use the controllers here to move around a little bit, and you are probably noticing that we have the waterfall and there are a couple of animals around there. um so let's approach that. Oh, okay. Yeah. So here we have our wonder avatar, the Sacred River avatar. And as you can see, I've set it up in a way that it moves in response to the player's movement. So once you get close enough, you find the interface to chat with it. So I'm gonna hit that, and here is the interface. Oh, greetings, dear traveler. Like the ever flowing currents of the river, I sense your presence and the ripples of your words. And we can talk to it over here. So I'll just say hi. And here's the response. In the ebb and flow of our encounter, may the rhythm of my cascading waters wash away the burdens that weigh heavy on your spirit. May it be so. But I'm gonna close the interface now, and I'll move a little bit closer. So here's the model. As you can see, I've changed a little bit from the one that we did in the course, but it maintains the sort of same or similar characteristics. And I really like this effect of it going in and out of water. And for the animals we have here, so look at that. All right, that's a beautiful one. So this is a jaguar, onça pintada as we call it here. And this model was actually handmade, wood carved by a local artist that has also carved this avatar here out of a piece of wood that I then digitalized and added a texture here. And for the Jaguar, I've also digitalized it, but the painting was done by the artist himself. His name is Genadir, um, and there are a couple of other animals. So here is a fisher fisher bird. We call it a martin fisher. There it is, and here we have a cuica d'água, all designed by Genadir and then digitalized with the help of an app called Kiri. And over there, we have a memo marsupial from these regions. And further on the top, right there, we have a couple of animals too. So, some falcon birds. So, all of these have been created by Jenajid and in our partnership for the actual setting up of a physical sculpture for the Sacred River in the visiting center of the Salto do Sagrado, this location. So in that partnership, I've I've then taken the images he or the sculptures he has created and digitalized them. And it's a vast world. Um, there's a lot to explore here, which I'm not going to be covering right now. And again, this was all designed so as to resemble the actual waterfall from the Sacred River. And this is available over VR as I'm showing you now, but it's also available over PC as well as mobile and tablet. And that's it. This is what we've managed to accomplish. Chances are we will be improving and working on this even further, but I hope it serves as an inspiration for you in terms of what can be done with Roblox. I really like the final result as it really gives this impression of the actual waterfall with its height and beauty and the presence of the animals and the avatar, of course, really highlighted it all. So thank you very much for joining me thus far in this course. I am very honored to have been able to teach this, and as I've said before, definitely hope that it has been useful for you and inspiring as well. So cheers.